This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kella McCaskill. Welcome to 1415 Sedgwick Drive, a beautifully updated end-unit townhome nestled in the gated community of Meadow Pointe 16, located in the heart of Wesley Chapel. Designed for low-maintenance living, this spacious home features a thoughtfully designed floor plan with modern finishes throughout. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the updated tile flooring on the main level that adds both style and durability. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home includes a versatile loft space and a 1-car garage. As an end unit, it enjoys extra windows that fill the home with abundant natural light. The screened lanai offers a peaceful retreat overlooking serene conservation views. Perfect for your morning coffee or winding down in the evenings. The kitchen is both functional and stylish, featuring stainless steel appliances, updated countertops, ample storage, and a pantry. A convenient powder room is also located on the first floor. Upstairs, the loft provides the ideal spot for a home office, play area, or creative nook. The spacious primary suite features a large walk-in closet and a private ensuite bathroom. A first-floor laundry room adds to the home's everyday convenience. Additional upgrades include updated kitchen cabinets, countertops, bathroom lighting, fixtures, and more. Beautiful landscaping enhances the privacy and curb appeal of this well-maintained property. Residents of Meadow Pointe enjoy access to top-rated schools and are just minutes away from premier shopping and dining destinations, including Tampa Premium Outlets, the shops at Wiregrass, Bay Care Hospital, and Pasco Hernando State College. The low HOA fee includes exterior maintenance, water, sewer, trash collection, and gated community access. Community amenities abound with a resort-style pool, clubhouse, fitness center, tennis courts, playground, and more. Don't miss your opportunity to tour this exceptional home. Schedule your visit today. For more information, review the details below.